Looking to hire a software agency? Hire top-rated talents provided by Dash Technologies on the Upwork marketplace. We work as your team, not as freelancers, because we are a 200 plus team of highly skilled engineers who turn your idea into reality. With Dash, you unlock the full potential of your business. With comprehensive software development services, we don't just serve what you want, but what your business needs. Our clients' reviews on Upwork reflect their experience with us and the quality development service we offer to them. Whether you are an instigator, a fire starter, a visionary business leader, or a healthcare professional, we help you accelerate your business by delivering technological solutions. At Dash, we are the champions working towards a goal. All you have to do is talk to us.
Let's go.